for some mind-blowing weight loss tips. Welcome, you have come to the right place. Today I'm going to talk about what would happen if you just eat fruits and veggies and nothing else. So I have gotten this question quite a few times, and it seems to be a common question because people are really interested in these extreme diets or these elimination diets where you cut out all these food groups. So I definitely want to dive deep and kind of explore what would happen. So basically, if you would just eat fruits, you would just eat veggies, you're cutting out your carbs, you're cutting out your fats, you're cutting out your proteins. So you're cutting out quite a bit of food and quite a bit of high calorie food. So fruits and veggies alone are going to give you lots of vitamins, lots of minerals, lots of fiber, which is awesome. And because they are quite low in calories, as a result, you're going to lose some weight, right? You're going to lose some weight, and you're also going to lose, so you'll burn fat, but on top of that, you'll also be losing some water weight. So a lot of fluid retention will be gone, a lot of bloating, a lot of inflammation and swelling, especially if you're feeling really tired or run down or heavy lately. This is going to be a good thing for you. I would say probably the maximal results you'd see from that are 7 days, where you could probably lose like 10 pounds in 7 days just from a little bit of fat and a lot of water weight from just the fruits and veggies. But after the 7 days, it's kind of diminishing returns, right? It gets harder and harder to follow something like that, and then your body is going to notice that it's missing nutrients more and more often, and then it will affect your mood, your hormones, things like that. But it's definitely great for quick motivation to bust past a plateau or something like that, or really deal with some bloating issues. So that would be kind of a cool way to do that. Also keep in mind that fruits and veggies can actually be quite filling. So I wouldn't, you'd think if you'd be eliminating all these food that you'd kind of be starving. Not necessarily. 5 apples is equivalent to like 1 cookie, right? So 5 apples is gonna fill you up, whereas 1 cookie never fills you up. And do we ever just eat 1 Oreo? No, we eat the whole entire row of Oreos, right? So this could potentially be quite a filling diet for you because you get to eat a lot of food, and fruits and veggies have minimal calories, so you get to eat quite a bit of it. So you might even be more full on something like that than you would on your regular eating schedule. I would say you'd want to pay attention to your bowel movements. Those could definitely become irregular because it's such a shock to the body. Could stay the same, but I would always prepare for either being in one of the two extremes, either, full-blown diarrhea, sorry, not fun to say, or constipation, just because it's a change and it's a shock to the body. And the most important thing I would say, and this is something that we forget because we get excited out here, oh my God, I can drop 10 pounds in 1 week. Yes, calm down, but you're probably not going to drop 10 pounds the second week or the third week or the fourth week. This is just to deal with weight along with other issues in the first 7 days. And the problem with a low or no protein diet to lose weight, so if you're trying to lose weight with very little protein or no protein, which vegetables and fruit have no protein in them, what happens is, yes, you're going to burn some fat, but unfortunately, your body will also start to burn off your muscle, start to eat out your own muscle. And we definitely do not want that because the amount of muscle mass you have is directly correlated to the speed of your metabolism. So the more muscle you got, the higher your metabolism is going to be. The higher your metabolism is, that's a tongue twister. The higher your metabolism is, the more calories you burn, and the more calories you burn, the more food you get away with eating, which is awesome, which is what we're all trying to work towards. So you do not want to be burning off your muscle. It's what keeps you strong. It's what keeps you flexible. It's what keeps your joints healthy, your heart healthy. And also, it also prevents what's called being skinny fat, right? Have you heard something like that before where you lose all your weight, but you look sick, you look flabby, you've got loose skin? That's not the goal, right? You want to lose weight, you want to look fit, you want to look healthy. You don't want someone asking if you're sick. And that's a problem if your protein's not high enough, or if you stay on these extreme diets that cut out entire food groups for too long, right? Like something like the fruit and vegetable diet would do. So definitely keep an eye out for that. You want to look fit, you want to have a nice shape, the hourglass shape, the fit shape, like, hey, she works out, she looks healthy. That is what we are working for. So fruit and veggies, definitely, if this kind of intrigued you, definitely give it a shot. Maybe try it for 1 or 2 days, see how it feels. See if it boosts your energy, if it allows you to kind of jump out of bed, have more pep in your step. see if it gives your digestive system a break as well, and it can kind of cure some of those bloating and inflammation issues. But other than that, it's just something that, it's like a tool in your tool belt that you'd pull out for a certain reason, and that reason should not be weight loss alone, okay? So, hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, leave a comment, like it, subscribe, click that notification button so we can see more videos. And again, my name is Coach Maddie. I've been on my own weight loss journey. I've lost over 70 pounds. Now every single day I get to help women all over the world along their weight loss journey as well. And if you are curious about speeding up your results, getting unstuck, reclaiming your health and your body, click the link down below in the description. I have created a program for you with all the tips and tricks that I've used for my journey and that I share in my Fit Queen community. And I think that's gonna be exactly what you've been looking for. So click that link and I will see you next time.